How to change aspect ratio in Capcut. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to change aspect ratio in Capcut. So to do it, open up your Capcut application and log in into your account. So next thing, what you want to do is add a new project. So I'm going to go with this one. Then click the add button. As I've added the new project, so to add an aspect ratio, you could either split the part and add it to a certain proportion, or you could just do it for entire video. At the bottom, you can see multiple tools. You need to go with the auto reframe. So you could go with the frame size that you want to go with this. So you could see this is how you could go ahead and adjust it. If you're not satisfied, you could also go ahead and change the frame size crop in Capcut. So this way you could go ahead and adjust or change the aspect ratio in Capcut. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.